I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco meat without taco seasoning full guide. Start by selecting your protein and preparing a simple spice blend with chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and salt. Brown the meat thoroughly and drain excess fat if desired. Add your spice blend with a splash of water or broth to simmer and concentrate flavors. Taste and adjust salt and heat before serving for tacos, bowls, or salads. Mix your spices in a small bowl so seasoning is even when it hits the pan. Use chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt as a base, and add cayenne to taste. Toasting the spices briefly in the pan with the brown meat lifts their aroma. Dissolve them in a little water or broth to create a saucy coating that clings to every crumb of meat. Cook on medium-high heat and resist crowding the pan to ensure proper browning. Break the meat into even pieces and let it sit between stirs to form those tasty brown bits. After adding your spice blend, pour in a splash of water or broth and simmer until thickened so the flavors cling. Finish by tasting and balancing salt or heat, then serve immediately with your favorite top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.